Hi, I'm Yunshin, founder of Markhub. Before I show you the product, let me tell you why we built it. Over the last year, we've used Slack, Discord, Notion, Jira, and pretty much every collaboration tools out there. And we kept running into the same problem. Important decisions get buried in conversations.
Yeah, every team says they are aligned during a meeting, but a week later, nobody remembers who was supposed to do what.
Exactly. Let's use a simple example. Everything I just said was automatically turned into structured work. Here are the topics we discussed, here are the decisions we made, and here are the action items generated from the conversation. No note taking, no manual documentation, no copying things into another tool. As you just saw, live context is created automatically from your conversations. Decision and tasks made by team members are automatically logged into the company wiki and their progress updated in real time. We call this flow. All we did was chat and suddenly, the whole workspace became AI native. At a glance, you can instantly see who is doing what, what's doing well, and what needs attention. And if you click on a team member, it generates a detailed productivity wiki for the person. From here, you can see exactly where AI can jump in to support their workflow. Finally, this Mark Map, our real-time wiki tree updates automatically every single day. Your organization's brain grows effortlessly without any complicated manual work. That is our core mission, to deploy Markup as the ultimate AI infrastructure for industries that have been left behind by the AI wave. The conversation became the work automatically and instantly. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Jay, please. Bye bye.